Is that what we're using anti-tank?
Absolutely, yes, the NLAW. Use that in Ukraine and that.
NLAW is a big brother to the M72 LAW, utilizing a larger tube diameter and warhead, while still being a disposable rocket system. Like the M72, NLAW is an unguided weapon.
How does it go then? How does it fire then?
Fires out there. Range up to 800 metres, 20 to 800 metres. Yeah. Good bit of kit. Over top of
how heavy?
Yeah. It's not as weighted as it would be because it doesn't have the missile inside.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then obviously SA-80 IW Western system. This is the new A3 variant.
So where's the fire button then?
So just on this side, so you've got a few sort of safety things on that, so you have to pull sort of that down, that comes up, and then you can fire it on the button just there. And then you've got differences between over top attack and then direct attack, i.e. direct attack goes straight into it, over top attack goes over and then comes down when it senses a sort of metal object. And then this is the arming, so it arms either after 20 metres or it arms after 100 metres. So you would change that, for instance, if you're doing over the top attack, there's a piece of metal that you're going over, and that's at 80 metres, so you want it to arm after 100 metres, so therefore you're not hitting whatever the metal is.
Yeah, I've seen the videos at Ukraine where they're aiming above the target, and then
it comes down, yeah, absolutely. So it'll be the same thing. Different battery pack on that, and then it's got the sighting system, just from that sort of sighting system.
Oh, yeah. What kind of magnification is that? 2 times or something?
Yeah, I'm not too sure. I know it's an ACOG sight. I could tell you. Yeah, something like that.
I assume that's the...
Yeah, that's what it comes out. And then obviously safety distance of 1600 mils either side, and then all like the gunk and shit that comes out the back.
Yeah.
But yeah.
It's got a tripod as well.
Yeah, so what you'll have is when you put this up, that will go into the shoulder. So your shoulder will go into there. This will come down and come against like your sort of your body, sort of in a bit there, not on the ground or anything. And it just gives you a bit of stability when you are firing it at those ranges.
Nice. Nice one, mate.
Nice one. All good.
How many you got in stock there? You just sold them all to the bloody Ukrainians.
Yeah, I couldn't tell you actually how we got in stock.
I know it must take a while to build them.
I couldn't tell you. We demand them, they come up. So, but yeah, brilliant.
Okay.
Have a good one. So.
NLAW is a big brother to the M72 LAW, utilizing a larger tube diameter and warhead, while still being a disposable rocket system. Like the M72, NLAW is an unguided weapon. NLAW, developed by Sweden's Saab, weighs 27 pounds and has a combat range of 65 to 2,600 feet. Saab claims NLAW can defeat any modern main battle tank. Instead of attacking a tank head-on, NLAW flies above a tank and then detonates a shaped charge down through a tank's thin roof armor. Once fired, the NLAW launch tube is discarded. Also known as the MBT-LAW, it is a single-shot, fire-and-forget, shoulder-fired disposable missile system that was designed for use by infantry. The shoulder-mounted weapon is capable of firing a single 150mm high-explosive anti-tank missile up to 2,600 feet. The joint British-Swedish designed NLAWs, developed by Saab Bofors Dynamics, are currently built in Belfast, Northern Ireland, by Thales Air Defence. Easy to operate. The NLAW is a soft launch system, which means that the missile is ejected non-explosively and can be used by infantry from within an enclosed space. Weighing just 27.5 pounds, it is easy to fire and light enough that the operator can still carry an addition weapon such as a rifle. Much like the American Javelin, the NLAW can target the top of a tank's turret, where the armor is usually at its weakest. Operators need to aim just 1 meter above the tank, and the downward shaped charge can do the rest. Time from target detection to engagement is approximately 5 seconds. NLAW can be used in an attack from almost any position, from up high in a building to behind a tree, or even in a ditch or trench. Operators can fire down 4 to 5 degrees and can shoot from inside a building, from a basement, or from the second floor of a building out of the range of most tanks. In direct attack mode, the NLAW can be used against soft targets including trucks, buses, and helicopters, but can also be fired into buildings, where it will cause significant damage. However, as with other modern anti-tank weapons, the NLAW is a one-shot, one-kill platform. At $40,000 per unit, it isn't exactly cheap, yet it is still an effective way to take out a far more high-asset target, such as a main battle tank. But can also be fired into buildings, where it will cause significant damage. However, as with other modern anti-tank weapons, the NLAW is a one-shot, one-kill platform. At $40,000 per unit, it isn't exactly cheap, yet it is still an effective way to take out a far more high-asset target, such as a main battle tank.
Took out of service, then back into service.
Yeah, it was used in the 70s, came out, and then it was back into the fault in 82.
Yeah, because they tried to use the brain glue. Because they need firepower to break one of these.
Is that one better?
That's a new standard issue, that is. That's deep reconnaissance.
20 miles faster than that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, but will it take a 50 cal?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
It's not roomy, but it can be done.
Just about enough to mount a pea shooter on the back. So, you can have a tactical pea shooter if you're going in hard. And a storage for a water gun in the rear.
Taking the bloody T-55s out from the Second World War soon.
Yeah.
Yeah, they will at this rate.
Yeah. You know what?
Yeah, but are you lot? It's you lot that's going to be fucking going to Poland and fucking Crimea and shit.
The brunt,
Are you fucking ready for it?
If we've got plenty of them laws over there.
Oh yeah, so I asked him. I says that how much you fucking sold them? How much you got left yourself?
Yeah.
How long does it take to build them?
Yeah, I've sent 60,000 of them, something like that.
Yeah, there's a lot gone.
There's a lot
That's
gone,
what
mate.
we've had in total for all NATO nations, isn't it?
How much
Gone.
kind of the price
I
of
think
them?
we'll
About
be hanging on for the Americans to dip the toe in and send us a load of gear, you know. I think that's the
Oh,
next
yeah.
move. I think the Americans will be sending us gear. Yeah, because they want their toe in there, don't they? They want to go. I think they're just looking for
well, it just shows you how vulnerable these kind of, even the armoured ones are, you know, just man-held nowadays.
Yeah.
And even the drones
Yeah.
and that. I used to have a fucking little drone.
Yeah.
And just dropping fucking mortar round off that.
Yeah.
That's what they're doing.
You could pop out from around a corner and take one of them out, couldn't you? With something that's what, that big? About that big, isn't it?
Thanks, mate. Anyway, yeah. Can I have a jump behind it? You watch my bike? Or?
All you need now is a motorbike right up to it.
Watch me.
Right, so components are locked, so that's your mover. Right, okay, if you want to lock it off, just twist that away from you.
Oh, right, yeah.
So if you tilt the bar pull that towards you, we'll unlock it. That's what you're going to do now. Just twist it towards you, put this bar on your shoulder, and then away you go. That's your manoeuvrability.
Nice. Where's the triggers?
So, yeah, there's two. So that's one trigger for the soft mount. So there should be a silver tab.
Them one, isn't it?
Yeah, there's that one.
If my camera's getting it. Camera's getting it. Nice. Take that fucking tower out.
Oh yeah, it would do. It demolished the cat's ass.
Contact! 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 Contact!
Oh, I like that.
Yeah, so you've got manoeuvrability in all directions.
Anti-air as well.
Yeah, well, as much as you can
Ish.
get it.
Yeah, as much as you can. Really weighs a ton, though, doesn't it?
50 kilograms in total. This is why we mount it to everything, because according to the book, it's man-portable, but only up to 400 metres. So.
Nice. Thanks, mate. I was just saying, there's not much overhead cover, is there?
No, there's nothing, that's what I mean. So it's ideal for weather like this, but
Yeah.
shit in the wind.
But when there's drones above you, you're dropping mortar rounds.
That's all right, no worries.
Yeah, there is.
Right, stay safe, lads. Stay safe.
Safe.